Hey everyone, I'm back. I was out on a journey last week. I'm back. And we are live trading. Well, you will see it recorded. You will see it recorded, but we're live trading. So today was a little bit of a dump during London. I did some nice scalping and trading in this range, but this is not a trade review video. It's a live trading video where I was tracking market structure, and I did take some trades out of this. I was waiting this move. I took it here, I took it here, I took it here, and then I took 3 wins, and then here was the actual rocket, and that one I missed. So we did have 2 SBS continuation, the simple ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now, since there is a sort of an accumulation here, right, a zone, and we have some area, a 50% of this zone that hasn't been tapped, and it's 7:30. I want to see what ES is doing so that we can, hey, there's something here that I can adjust. So I want to see ES, what ES is doing. Just make sure that the levels are matching, or that we have a positive divergence in our favor. And then, all right, we are in the origin of this range, that pushed price pretty hard. Did we get some liquidity? We did get some liquidity here. If we did another double bottom here, so if we flip here, then here is a long, right? So we go double bottom. If this holds, this is an origin. So our bias is that we want to return and do the full market maker buy model. So okay, we did a double bottom. So at 7:30, we could buy this. Let's see. Let me zoom in. I'm set to the buy stop. I set the buy stop here. Show you 1 tick above here, 1 tick above here. How many stops is it? How many points is this? Well, I'm setting now a fixed 212, and I'm going to expect a continuation. In reality, so we'll take this and see what happens, and aim for 10 points. And this is with 10 copied Apex 50,000. I will show you later. If this, it's 7:30, so we can expect a little bit of volatility at 7:30. Okay, so this narrative is now done. Now the long that I want to take, I had already read it. I had something to catch here. There's a basket, see? So this was a trade idea that we got disqualified, but there is an unmitigated zone below. Did I lock it? No. Which we haven't visited. So if it's true that we're still long, so this failed. I can put an X on it. Can we put an X on it? Let me see. Phone beeping. Sorry about that. Okay, so we are hitting the 30%. We are not satisfied with just the 30% tap, because Well, this could act also as a protected level, but in general, we'll wait. Ah, look at the reaction. Oh, what a trade, huh? 23 points. So yeah, I was expecting this, but I want to see a double bottom, right? So I wanted to see this, not a V-shaped recovery. V-shaped recovery makes it very hard now. So now we wanted to do a stop buy here, but there's this BPR that could be retested. Okay, so let's see that we retest it. So how would we retest it? Like this, a blue box. I don't see it. I'm blind. Okay, let's do it. I don't want to miss it. Okay, so we did a buy and buy at the breakout. This is a recipe for disaster. Do not copy what I'm doing. We just need, so I entered basically where originally I wanted. This V-shaped recovery caught me a little bit off guard. So I was expecting blue box. Okay, so this is the BPR. We entered. Let me just focus. I need to move. So at 8 points, I started trailing break even at 8 points. It's a new mechanic. I just want to do scalps of 10 points and try to pass. Okay, so I did 8 points. And at 10, I'm going to move. So at 20, 30, we're almost at 10. Okay, 30. If it goes to 32, I did my 10 points profit. Push a bit, push a bit, push a bit higher. Okay, we are in for 10 points profit. And we let it run. And if it stops at 10, it stops at 10. And then next threshold, I would like to show you the executions, but okay, this is nice. So we are now 40 points in profit. Nice. We were. I'll keep 5. I'll keep 5. I don't want to give the money back. Also because it's the trail drawdown. Okay, so we were trailed and we did 15 points profit. I'll show you. I'm happy I showed you this. The thing is, so this was a sort of a 1-1, 1-1. I will show you. We came out at 34. 34.75. Okay, so we did a 1-1 for 12 points apparently. Well, this is the execution. Let me show you. I actually can show you the whole thing. Let's see if I can show you with all the accounts. Let's see. So let me show you with all the accounts. 86. Okay. So I can show you that it's all real, done with evaluation. All right, we're up 300. I don't want to show the account numbers. Okay, show you like this. Oh no. Yeah, so these are. All right, this is the trade we took from 820 to 834. Actually, it's more than, yeah, it's 12.5. It seems I made 300, but this is the general state of the account. So I made actually 150, 120. Don't save. Right. So we did catch this. Okay. So we're up for the day 300, but the things desynced. So, but I would say we could be done by yeah, I'm sorry. We could be done with the 10 Apex accounts. I have started them yesterday. Let me double check that they are all synced and all the accounts are closed. Open positions 0. Yeah, working buy, working sell, they're 0. Okay, so we're up 300-ish on most of them. We did catch the V-shape recovery. I lost my face. Okay, so do we want to continue? So it was a good read. I was expecting that we would come maybe here, wishful thinking. Instead, what we did was tap into the at 730, tap 30%. We just tapped the 30%. We tap 30% of this. Let me show you which range I mean. This range. This range. So we draw it like this. 30% is here. And we came down. We took out all this liquidity that was accumulated and we ran. The idea is this, very simple. Price is trying to get back to you see this curve, this accumulation, trail of liquidity, vertical dump, and we're going to go back to Asia high and previous day high. That's the working hypothesis, which is what we call market maker model. I call this a market maker model. It's looking good, I have to say. It's looking good. How long is this? So 12 minutes for a live trade action that I showed you live. We caught a depressing 12 points, 1250, but 12 points makes a very nice 40,000 a month if you do it with 20 accounts and you are consistent, making a few hundred a day, which is the protocol I am following now with this 10 Apex 50,000. So I would say let's cut the video for now. If there's other trades that I want to take, I will click record. I'm sorry about the slight break as I was cut and pasting and copying stuff, but let me go back to you and say, oh, my jacket is showing now. What? All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm working on a website to, to allow you to subscribe to the indicators. Now it's official. We're going to launch it at 1,000, but I'm working on a website. More material will be coming. I am back. Thank you for watching and talk to you. I'll talk to you soon. Ciao. Oh, ramping. I could. Stop.